I found something really cool the other day. Let's open this thing up. I'm reminded of just how subtle the 997 Turbo was. Looking at this model, and the spoiler, the front valence. This is it's kind of understated for Porsche. That paint is pretty cool. Not quite a Spectra flame, more of like a black cherry sort of situation. Candy apple, but more of a black cherry in color. Show you the interior here real quick. That Porsche emblem's giant on the steering wheel, but you know what? I kind of like it. That's funny. Get ourselves a clutch pedal and all that. Yeah. That's cool. I commend that decision that the model's made as if it was a manual.